You will have in your room typically one of three different options. We call this control panel here an Extron box. You might also have this attached to your wall. It goes with a 3M short throw projector, or you have the good old-fashioned remote. First, let's take a look at the Extron boxes. As you can see, there are a number of different buttons on this control box. When you get into your classroom, the first thing you want to do is press and hold the on button. You should see it light up, start flashing a little bit, and then it will stay lit, letting you know your system is now activated. You will have several different input buttons. They correspond to the types of technology that are in your classroom. So for example, if you wanted to display the content that you are showing on your PC computer in your classroom, you would make sure that the PC button is lit. To change your input, let's say you wanted to connect your laptop and display content on your laptop, press on the laptop button, it will flash, and then it will stay lit, indicating that that input option is now selected. In some classrooms, there is a separate DVD or VHS player. To select that input option, choose auxiliary video or DVD/VCR. Remember, your computer also doubles as a DVD player. Lastly, most computer stations across campus have the AV mute button. Pressing this allows you to quickly black out and make content not available through the projector. Most of these Extron boxes are connected to the top of a teacher station, though if you have one of these black cart type of teacher stations, you might have to open the front door and look down within the teacher's station to find that control panel. Other classrooms have these control panels attached to the wall near a blackboard, whiteboard, or smartboard. Many of these wall-mounted systems look like this tan one right here. This system is a little more basic, and it's connecting your computer and your projector. You'll need to press and hold the on-off button until that light, you'll see that light flash, and you'll also hear the projector click and turn on. To turn that system off, you again hold the same on-off button. Lastly, your room might be controlled simply through a good old remote control. With this setup, you use the remote control to power on and off the projector. Tap the blue power button once to turn on the projector. Once you're done teaching your class and when you need to turn the projector off, hit the power button once and then hit it again to select the fact that you want to turn off the power to the projector. You can control the volume in the classroom by either using one of these simple volume dial boxes or use the volume control within the computer itself. After you have made sure that your system is turned on and you've selected the appropriate input, now it's time to power up your machine. On the teacher stations, turn on your computer either by looking around the back side of the monitor to find the power button, or open the cart and look down on the bottom of the cart for the computer CPU unit, and you'll see the power button. Press and hold to turn on the computer. This is a quick overview of the basics in your classroom. If you notice that something's not turning on, or if it's making a weird noise, or you might get an error message that's reporting that your bulb in the projector is about to burn out, please call the ITS help desk at 8191, or you can also email them a description of the problem to helpdesk@bucks.edu. Be sure to include the room number, time, and day in which your problem occurred. If you'd like more information about technology in your room, or if you have a training request, please call Mindspace. That's our media and instructional design space located within Learning Resources, and that is available at extension 8050.